Welcome back to my channel, my fabulous lovebug goodies, how to cook. And your girl is making you the jerk season that you requested. Fast, easy, and simple. Is good for your fish, and if you're making a shrimp on the grill, if you're doing chicken on the grill or in the oven, jerk pork is just as good. Just whatever you like, even them good sis kebab for the summer here. Now, be sure that you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you will never miss an upload. So let's jump right into the recipe.
Eyes of a star girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing. This are the
All right, goodie. So this is your jerk seasoning. I'm gonna walk you through this jerk seasoning step by step. This is the one that you requested. I have another one up before, but your girl, I'm gonna do it over and over until we get this thing right. Now, I'm gonna walk you through every single thing that you are going to need to make this particular jerk season, where you can put on anything that you choose to cook in your kitchen or out on the grill. Now, let's talk about it. Now, the first thing we're talking about is our garlic, and I'm using the chopped garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want, same thing. Some vinegar. I am going to be using the molasses. Now, I love the flavor that it gives, but if you don't want to use the molasses, go ahead and grab some browning, all right? But I am going to use the molasses. The molasses have a really unique taste and flavor into the jerk seasoning. Now, I'm using my pimento seeds right here, and this is the Orcharious brand. Now, some people call it allspice or whole spice or whatever you choose to call it, but in Jamaica, a pimento seeds we say, right? You're gonna need that. Now, we need lemon and onion for sure. I have two scotch bonnet pepper, and you're gonna need sugar, cinnamon powder, and a little bit of salt, not too much, and some oil, scallion, and of course do not forget the onion and the lemon, right? Now you're also going to need some thyme, fresh thyme for sure, and definitely the two pepper. I mean, I like pepper, but I'm gonna make it, yeah, I have to put pepper in it. In addition to that, I'm going to add some bay leaves. Now, if you don't have the dried bay leaf, use fresh bay leaf, that's fine. And I'm also going to add some black pepper to it, right? Not too much of the black pepper, just a little bit. Now, let's get right into the mix up and the blender thing. Now, I did go in. Now, the size of the onion that I'm using, it's a medium size, like medium to large size onion, but depending on how much you're going to make, you definitely could add more onion than I did. I did make, I'll say, about a cup. When I got done mixing everything, it was about a cup full of the jerk marinade, all right? But if you want more, be sure to add like an extra large onion, or maybe if you're going to use the size that I'm using here, you could use two of this. But this is what I went for, right? And it worked okay, but you could definitely add more onion. I do like onion, lots of onion in my jerk mix, all right? All right, so now I did use those three stalks of the scallion, and you might call it green onion, but a scallion, we grew up here in Mama call it, everybody call it scallion, and a scallion we call it, right? So I just cut off the end part right there and just put the rest of it in there, and of course, once again, you could add more to it. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the thyme, and I'm not going to separate anything here. We're going to put the entire thing into the mix, because the stem of the thyme is where you have the most flavor. And then go in and put the bay leaves in, and you could use fresh bay leaves from your market, your farmer's market. Definitely want to go in and add some pimento seeds to it, and I think I added about a tablespoon of the pimento seeds or the pimento berries or whatever you want to term it. Just go ahead and throw it in there. Now, as far as my pepper go, no, so me afraid of pepper. When I'm buying jerk season in the store, I always go for the mild. all the time because when I tell you I'm afraid of pepper and I'm not joke, I'm afraid of pepper bad. I cry. When I was little, I used to cry if there was pepper in the food, and up to this day, I still do not like pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the seeds out of that. I do not want the extreme heat, but if you like spicy, 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 go ahead and just throw the entire pepper in that thing, man. Honey, your girl is going to take those seeds out because no, we don't want it too spicy. I don't want it too spicy business, okay? Two of that is fine. And of course, you can add more to the mix. Alright, now I'm going to use my minced garlic. If you have the whole clove garlic, you go ahead and use that. But this one works perfectly fine. I did go in and add my vinegar because I do not do absolutely nothing without my vinegar. I added that to it. Then I added some avocado oil that I have, but you could substitute that avocado oil for whatever that you have in your kitchen. Add it to the mix. It's going to loosen and bind everything. And I use my brown cane sugar, my Jamaican brown cane sugar, and a tad bit of salt, little bit, probably about a half a teaspoon of salt, and some cinnamon powder. That was a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and just put that all in there. Okay. Now I do have one fresh lemon. I'm going to put the entire lemon into it. The lemon is going to give it that unique flavor, especially if you're going to put this on the grill. It is going to make a chicken or whatever that you're planning on putting on the grill. It's going to turn it up to another level. If you don't have fresh lemon here, use green lime. If you don't have green lime, just use lemon juice, right? But add it to the mix. And about a teaspoon of black pepper, not too much. Okay, now this is the main event that I love. I'm going to use the molasses. Now, like I said before, you could use the browning. I have the Ultra browning there, but you could use whatever brand you like. But the girl is going for the molasses here. And I think I'm using the Blue Mountain molasses here. It tastes so nice. We put it in a tea, and when I'm doing like buns and certain cakes and stuff, I always like to use that. And when my mother was alive, that's she always had molasses in the house. 1 tablespoon of molasses, she'd take that every morning. And so that's what we're going to put into the mix. It's going to make your jerk season taste so, so, so good, especially when you're doing fish. O to the M to the G. Go ahead and try the molasses. And when you try it, let me know how your season came out. But that's all that we're going to do here into the mix. It's all set and all ready to go. And like I said before, if you want to add anything else to it, like ginger or whatever else, but if you have ginger, you can add ginger to it. But that's all you need right there. Give it a good little mix for about 60 seconds, no more. If you want it all smooth out, you could give it a minute and a half. But I think I only did 60 seconds here, and I was good to go. Good to go. When I was done, that my jerk season was ready to go. It wasn't all chunked out. It still had little pieces of chunk in it, but not too much. 60 seconds was all it took, and my jerk season was ready. It smelled amazing. I did use this for a recipe that will be coming up very soon. But honey, overall, this jerk season was immaculate. That I could smell the molasses in it. It gave it that nice aroma. So so good, so so good. So try it, guys, and tell me how you like it because this one is very very nice. Really really good and fast and easy and simple to make. And you can add any little thing else that you want to add to it to make it your own. Now, for my new good to them, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on that post notification because I always have new recipes coming and they're always fast, easy, and simple to follow. If you don't see the way you like, ask me, your girl is here to deliver. And for my all-time goodie, be sure that you are checking that bell, honey, to make sure that you don't miss any of the upload at all because them knows them always good. Now, when I was done, right, with that season, this is what I made for dinner that day with that jerk season that I just showed you guys. I made some jerk in the oven, right? Fast, easy, and simple. Now, this recipe will also be coming up very, very soon. You will see this, so don't worry. The recipe will come very soon. Okay, I got you, boo. I got you. Also, if you're still here watching me this far, be sure that you have subscribed to the second channel, Life as Juliana. The link for that channel will be listed down below. All kinds of things over there. Story time, if you're into them type of thing, they're over there, them there. So go over there and check that out, along with the vegan goodies them. I just say your thing there. So check it out. Go over there, subscribe, and show your girls some love. Now spread the love with friends and family. Tell them what's going on up over here. Bring them, come and send them, come. I'm waiting. After you done do that, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.